What do you think? Big boy. What about the horsey? Can you make the horsey talk? Oh, we like the cow. Oh, it comes off. Oh, that looks like fun too. Push, push. Oh, cool. Of course, we have to taste everything. You want the horsey? Okay, well, I'd like you guys to hear some of the sounds that this boat makes. It's really, really loud, but I want you to hear the tiger. Check this out. That would scare me. And the lion. That tiger. Hear that? It's a kitty. Big kitty. Whoa. Oh, you got the pig. You making the pig oink? Do you want to try the other side? With the keys? Look, there's keys. Go ahead, push them. Yay! Good job. Good job. Oops. There. Come on, push the keys. Oh, we're back to chewing on the cow. Good. Oh, and if you ever wondered what a giraffe sounds like, sounds like a really sick goat. Not a pretty sound. Oh, my phone's ringing.